Hello guys. Well, the following day, we went to the store and I grabbed some vegetables in my garden back there, as you can see. Yeah, and I get this. I have this malunggay, and the following day, as I said, we bought a fish, the pampano. Ako isin sa bawon, and I harvested this kangkong. See, look at this kangkong. It's very pretty. Pretty. And I have this alagbati. They call it, this is the wild spinach. See? And also from my garden. And I have this standard lemongrass. Okay. I have to prepare this one. I call lunch, actually. Yeah. Alright. Look at it now. See you next. Sa una pag yun, when I was in elementary, mahilig na gaming garden. Tungod sa kawadon, you know. Kahit pa paano, kung wala kang ulam sa bahay, may makuha ka. Like that, that's my garden. I have tomato, eggplant, malunggay, squash, zucchini, calamansi, ampalaya, sili, bell pepper, sitaw, long beans, kangkong, lumbati. Yeah. With my mama na ko hilig to garden, tabangan ako. Aron na mi makaon. And now, naalala na ko sa una. Himduman ako sa una kami mama nagsudan og gulay. Like this. Kamatis bagong harvest, sibuyas, sili, kalamansi. Then naglaga ko og talong. Niya na ay paksiw na isda. Rice content. Right guys? Have a good day. See you next. Napoy kamatis di ay. Yeah, muna akong gamitan ron. Iiwan na akong sibuyas ang dako kayo. Huwag na po kayo sili. Gikan Goodness Garden. All of these are from my garden back there. Alright. Okay. Kung okra, sarap ka buo kung nakuha. That's fine. Okay. And guess what? Mauni ako sibuyas sa garden. Look at this. So big. See? Sibuyas dahon ako. Tanawag ka mo. Yeah. See, oh? Kalupok-lapok pa akong gilibot. Kami akong gamitan. Okay?